Are you frustrated with your laptop freezing during the video editing process or crashing while you're trying to multitask? Or maybe you are having some plans to buy a new computer that can handle your creative workload? If so, you are in the right place. Today, we are unboxing the Mac Mini M2 and I will explain why it might be the perfect solution for your needs. In this video, I will explain 5 reasons why I have decided to go with the Mac Mini M2. So please watch this video till the end because I'll give you exact reasons which might save you time doing all the analysis. I have been a Mac user for the past 8 years. Currently, I'm using a 2017 Intel-based MacBook Pro, but lately it has been getting very slow and struggling with the complex video editing process. So I have decided it's time for an upgrade. Mac Mini M2, a compact powerhouse that's ready to take on anything I throw at it. I'm very excited to unbox and set up my Mr. Beast. The Mac Mini M2 features Apple's latest M2 chip, offering incredible speed and efficiency. For around $599, which is the average price of the base model, you are getting a machine that can handle day-to-day tasks with ease. Web browsing, document editing, media consumption, you name it, and the base model can do it all. First, let's take a look at what's inside the box. As always, Apple keeps it simple and elegant. We have the Mac Mini M2 itself wrapped in a slick protective cover. Underneath, there is a power cord and some of the basic documentation. Setting up Mac Mini M2 is a breeze. Just plug it in the power cord, connect it to your monitor via the HDMI port or via the Thunderbolt, and then off you go. Once everything is connected, power it on, follow on-screen instructions to complete the setup, easy peasy. But where Mac Mini truly shines is in video editing and rendering. Thanks to the M2 chip's advanced architecture, editing 4K videos in Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere Pro is buttery smooth. Rendering times are significantly reduced, making it a dream come true for content creators. The base model has 8-core CPU, 10-core GPUs, 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. However, I've gone for an upgrade with 16GB RAM and 512GB storage to take my video editing process to the next level. Now here are the 5 top reasons why I selected Mac Mini M2 over similarly priced Windows desktop PC or any other laptop. Performance. The 16GB RAM ensures smooth multitasking and performance. It allows you to video edit and render. It handles 4K video editing and rendering very efficiently. Software like Final Cut Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro will run smoothly, enabling you to edit the videos and layers and effects without significant lag. Day-to-day tasks. Effortlessly manage everyday tasks like web browsing, email, office application, and streaming without any slowdown, even with multiple applications open simultaneously. Parallel processing. Run several demanding applications at once. Example, video editing software, Photoshop, or web browser without experiencing any performance issues. Many Windows PCs in the same price struggle to keep up, especially video editing and rendering. Storage. The 512GB solid-state drive offers fast read and write speeds, ensuring quick access to the files and applications. Here's what you can expect in terms of the storage capacity. On an average, a high-resolution photo can take up to 5 MB. You can approximately store 100,000 photos. A 4K video takes about 350 megabytes per minute, so you could store up to 24 hours of 4K video footage. Application and documents. Typical applications and documents take up less space, so you can still store numerous apps, documents, and other media alongside your photos and videos. Size. The Mac Mini M2 is small, compact, and has a sleek design. It measures 7.7 inches in a square shape. It takes up very little space on your desk, making it an excellent choice for your small workspace or home offices. Even with the compact size, the Mac Mini M2 is equipped with multiple ports, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports for high-speed data transfer, external displays, or additional accessories, 2 USB-A ports for connecting older peripherals, HDMI 2 port for connecting with the monitors or TVs, Ethernet port for stable and fast internet connections, 3.5mm headphone jack for audio output, quiet operation. The Mac Mini M2 is designed to run quietly. Fan speed is efficient and only ramps up under heavy workloads, so you will experience minimal noise during the regular use and even when performing demanding tasks. But the best part, which really helped me to decide on the Mac Mini M2, is the energy efficiency. The integrated architecture of the Mac Mini M2, including the M2 chip, is highly energy efficient, consuming less power while delivering higher performance, which is beneficial for both your electricity bill and your environment. Now let's address a few challenges. One of the key points to note is that Mac Mini M2 specs cannot be upgraded in the the future. What you choose now is what you are stuck with. So if you plan to do more intensive tasks like video editing, consider upgrading to 16 gig of RAM right from the start. It makes a noticeable difference. To keep the costs down, you can use additional hard drives or extra storage. External SSDs or even a NAS setup can be a great way to expand your storage without breaking the bank. In summary, the Mac Mini M2 is an impressive piece of technology. Its compact size is deceptive. This powerhouse is perfect for both everyday tasks and more demanding creative workflows. The base model is fantastic, and with a few small upgrades, you can turn it into a true workhorse. So if you're in the market for a new desktop or you're trying to upgrade your desktop, the Mac Mini M2 should definitely be on your radar. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about the Mac Mini M2. Is it a must-have for your setup? I would like to know your feedback. If you're interested in similar content, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Thank you very much for your time. I'll see you in the next video.